Hello everyone, it's me Sudeep from New Learners. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get Google reCAPTCHA in your website. Okay, let's start the video. First you need to go to Google reCAPTCHA website. Then click on this. Then click on this plus icon. Now here enter your domain name. Now here select challenge B2 and select I am not a robot. Now here you need to enter your domain name without HTTPS. After that click on submit button. Finally here you get your site key and secret key. Now you can copy this and paste it on your website like this. Now let's check if it is working or not. Here you can see it's working fine. Now if you want to make your website more safe, then click on this setting icon. And here you can see you can improve the security level of your website. Now you can increase this to make your website secure. Now if you want to see your secret key again, click on this and here you can see your secret keys. Now if you want to remove reCAPTCHA from your website, you can just click on this delete icon and you can remove your reCAPTCHA. This was all about reCAPTCHA. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.